In this video, we're going to talk about congruency. So if we have a problem like this that says, look at the following shape, and here's this shape, and then it says, select all the shapes that are congruent to the shape above. And then you have some other shapes below that you need to match to this one. So the first thing to do is understand what congruent means. Congruent means the same shape and the same size. That's what it means, okay? So it is also important to note that two congruent shapes may be turned differently or colored differently. So even though that's the case, they will still be congruent. So we could see that these three are congruent to this shape. They're the same shape and same size. You could see the number of sides is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all have 5 sides. They're the same shape. They're turned a bit different. They're colored different, but they're exactly the same as this. This is not congruent. This one is much larger and it's a different shape completely. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, so it is not congruent. And that's the end of this lesson. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, check out the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. And then you could also download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please remember to like and subscribe.